The funding has been a problem for Kefri. Yes. We do not get sufficient funds, but we are talking with the minister and the ministry to make sure that the plan we put today will be funded. We have promises that we will be supported, and we believe with that support we will be able to deliver for this country the seeds and seedlings for the 15 billion trees. Yeah. Today was the launch of the strategic plan. We believe that without a plan, you fail. So we've spent a lot of time in the planning and making sure that the path that we will take going forward is well looked into, well charted, and make sure that planning that we have spent so much time doing is executed smoothly. That was the plan for today. Thank you very much. The community will benefit a lot, because if you don't get it right from the very beginning, by giving the community the seeds that are the appropriate seeds, then you will lose. So the community eventually will gain by getting proper seeds, and those seeds will be translated into trees that they will take care of.
The acting CEO Kefri. Today we have launched our 7th strategic plan. That is the plan for us to operationalize for the next 5 years in order to achieve our mandate, which is to conduct research in forestry, capacity build stakeholders, disseminate information, and also establish strategic partnerships. What does it entail? This
Thank you very much. Good